Can you introduce yourself?
Good morning. My name is Cheryl Grace Sasi, 38 years old. I am married. I have two children, 13 years old and 16 years old, and I'm college graduate.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have four brothers and I have two sisters, and I am the eldest.
What is your working experience as a housemaid before?
My work experience in Saudi Arabia since 2021 to 2023 is my duty is taking children and babies ages 1 year old, 3 years old, 5 years old, 7 years old, 11 years old, and 13 years old. Cleaning houses, cooking, washing, and ironing clothes.
Do you know how to take care baby?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby is crying?
If the baby is crying, I will check first the diaper is wet and I will change it. If the baby not stop crying, I will feed milk and I will check the temperature.
Do you have a long patience for kids?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the children is naughty?
If the children is naughty, I will catch their attention and I will encourage them to count numbers and read book stories.
Why do you want to come to Hong Kong and who will take care of your children?
I want to come in Hong Kong to earn money and to support my family financially, and my husband take care of my children.
Describe your positive attitude.
I am trustworthy, kind, polite, and hardworking.
How can you handle your homesick?
I will handle my homesick is to focus on my work, and I will treat my employer as my own.
Could you sing a nursery song for kids?
Yes, ma'am. Rain, rain, go away, come another day. Little children wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Any food does it eat or are you allergic to any food?
I eat everything, ma'am.
What food can you cook?
I will cook native foods, and I will learn to cook the Chinese foods.
Can you accept no day off but will be paid by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you accept take care of elder person and assist older needs?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to clean the car without extra pay?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise to cut your hair short before you come to Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
No, ma'am.
Can you promise not hair coloring and nail art?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me because I am trustworthy, obedient, polite, and hardworking person, and I'm willing to learn and listen to my employer's instructions, and I will finish 2 years contract as long as they want me. Thank you and God bless.